Welcome back to my channel, your friend Sonal here. So today I'm going to tell you how to make this beautiful pot in this video. So if you're not having the pot like this shape, then you can take any of the shape. There's no problem in taking that. I have used shilpkar molded clay for this. So now let's start the video. So guys, this is the pot which I have taken for making my pot art. So if you are not having this kind of pot, then no need to worry. You can take any of that. So guys, first of all, we will take this thread. So this is also known as sutli in India. So what you need to do is just wrap it around this pot like this. So for just pasting it, here we are having this fevibond. So now let's get started. So guys, now I will just paste this bond here like this. So guys, you need to cover this upper portion really very well, like this. Guys, just wrap it around like this. Guys, now this first step is completed, and here at the end I have just cut it and pasted it here. So the second step is to mix the water and glue and just coat it with it. So guys, now I'm just gonna put some glue in this container, add some water, and here I'm having the brush to mix it. So guys, this mixture is ready now, and this is just to make it shine and to make it strong. So guys, just do it like this, a small coat of it. So guys, in the same way, we will cover the whole pot like this. So guys, I have finished coating this pot with the glue plus water mixture. So I have coated it 3 times, and the third step is to coat it with the black acrylic color. So it is important to use the acrylic color, because if you will not use it, then it will not get the shine as per on the pot. So guys, now I have completed painting my pot with black acrylic color. So this step is also completed now. So the next step is to make the flowers and paste on it. So guys, for this step you will need fevicryl mouldit shilpkar clay, and you will need some talcum powder also. So here I am having it. So it is important to have the talcum powder, and you may get this on any stationery shop. And yeah, it is important to bring if you want to make that type of pot. use acrylic colors. So guys, now I'm gonna make color for the leaf by mixing two colors. So first of all, I'm having yellow color. And then after that, here I'm having sap green. I have also colored these flowers with red and maroon colors, so I have used acrylic colors for this too. And here are the leaves. Now it is the time to paste it on the pot. The pot is completed now. After giving the shine to it, you can either make the pot like this without the leaves and giving the shine with the golden plus copper color. So guys, how is my pot looking? Tell me by leaving a comment in a comment box. And yeah, also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, take care and bye bye.